Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading your audio into Ibis Paint X and placing it on the audio layer so you can see the waveform. Once done, scrub the timeline to find the first clear syllable or beat. This becomes your primary sync anchor. Make separate drawing layers for mouth shapes and facial keys and name them for quick toggling. You want visible markers and organized layers because that structure speeds up the frame-by-frame matching later. Now align frames to the waveform peaks you identified. Set the canvas FPS to match your desired timing and extend the timeline to the audio length. Next, place keyframes at prominent beats and phoneme onsets so you lock visual changes to sounds. Draw the appropriate viseme mouth shapes, open, closed, rounded on those frames, vary secondarily with eyebrow and eye motion. Make sure to preview at full speed to catch timing slips, then nudge frames by 1 or 2 ticks to refine. Finish by polishing transitions. Use onion skin to refine in between drawings and smooth mouth movement so speech reads naturally. Export a short test video and watch carefully. If lips look early or late, adjust frame offsets by nudging keyframes or shifting the audio layer slightly. If playback lag hinders precise nudging, lower the canvas FPS temporarily or re-import a compressed audio file to improve responsiveness. One tip if things still misalign: clear the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.